Hello everyone, I'm Lish Vasquez and I'm Dining Services Director at Glencroft Center for Modern Aging, and today we are going to make the famous green deity. What we are going to start off with, the green deity requires a cream cheese and chive spread. And how to make that is very simple. Start off with some cream cheese, softened preferably. A little bit of granulated garlic and fresh chives. Just like that. And you're just going to mix those ingredients together. So there we go. It's just gonna softenly spread. It's just a simple cream cheese spread right here. And that's what it's gonna look like. Okay. All right. I prefer to use a whole wheat seed bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you'd like. Take 2 slices and you're gonna spread on your cream cheese and chive spread on both sides. And this is something you completely could omit, but I am gonna tell you that this is where all the flavor is. And usually I do it exactly in this order when I assemble this sandwich. Gets all the flavor profiles out the best. You're going to take leaf spinach. I've already pre-taken the stems off. Just gonna lay them across one piece of wheat bread, just like that. And then got some avocado puree. You could also opt for sliced avocado if you'd like. The avocado in this sandwich actually acts as the protein along with Swiss and pepper jack cheese. 1 slice of Swiss cheese actually contains 8 grams of protein. Stick both of those on there. Next, we are going to stick sliced cucumber. I have 4 slices of cucumber here. And 3 slices of Roma tomato. And last but not least, you've got your fresh alfalfa sprouts. Put the top piece of bread on. Take your knife, split in half, and there you go. That is the green deity. I'm Lish Vasquez reminding you that eating healthy can taste good. Happy cooking.